temptation. I was hoping I'd get more of this.
Were you? Good.
Yeah.
Because you stink.
Thanks, Mom.
That was from your sister.
Oh, thanks, sister. Thanks, Alexis.
You can just
really
rip the
want
backs.
more
I
of
don't
this.
care.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
What is
welcome.
it?
Makeup.
Makeup, of course.
Okay.
What are you videotaping?
I think. Yep. Daniel, I gave you everything.
This one for you?
No.
Oh, that's for Grandma.
That's for Grandma's.
Oh, okay. What about this one?
Oh, yep, that one. I forgot about that one. And maybe it's that Nerf gun.
Thanks for telling me, Mom. What is it? Fishing pole? It's just what I wanted. Now I can go fishing.
Yeah, now you have your real big kid fishing pole.
Yay! At 13 years old.
Hey, you had a baby one when you were little. Alright. Oh, wanna open that one? Open it.
Is this for everybody?
Better give it to me again. Life.
We're playing it.
Okay.
I don't know. We
Right
got
now?
things to do right now, but sometime. Yay, we're gonna play Life. Different than what we play daily.